Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Olivia. How are you today?
Hi, Liam. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks. I was thinking about our recent group project in our marketing class, and I wanted to discuss our teamwork experiences. Do you have some time to chat?
Sure, Liam. I would love to talk about it. Our project was both challenging and rewarding. It taught me a lot about planning and working with others.
Yes, I agree. Our project on creating a new advertising campaign required us to share ideas, divide tasks, and meet deadlines. I learned that teamwork is not always easy, but it is very important.
I remember at the beginning, we were not sure how to split the work. Some members wanted to work on the creative design, while others preferred research. We had a long discussion to decide who would do what.
Exactly. I was assigned to do the research and data analysis. At first, I felt a little nervous because I had to collect information about market trends and our target audience. However, when our team met, we explained our ideas clearly.
That meeting was very helpful. I worked on the visual design and created some poster ideas. I enjoyed drawing and selecting colors for our campaign. I think our teacher was very pleased with our creative approach.
I liked how you combined different colors and images to create a modern look. Your work on the poster really made our presentation stand out.
Thank you, Liam. I learned many useful tips from our group discussions. For example, I realized that listening to everyone's opinion can improve an idea. When we discussed the poster design, one teammate suggested adding a slogan, and that made our work even better.
That is a very good point. I also learned that clear communication is key. When I sent my research notes to the group, I received feedback that helped me understand which data was most important. It made my work more focused.
Yes, I noticed that too. We used a shared online document where everyone could add their ideas and comments. This method helped us stay organized and make decisions quickly.
I really liked that we set deadlines for each part of the project. It kept us on track and reduced stress near the end. Even though there were some delays from a few members, we managed to finish on time by adjusting our schedule.
I agree. I remember when our research part was late. We all worked extra hours to catch up. It was a bit stressful, but we learned how to work under pressure.
Yes, working under pressure taught me the importance of flexibility. Sometimes plans change, and you must be ready to adapt. I learned to remain calm and find solutions quickly.
And I learned that taking small breaks during long meetings can help clear your mind. When we had a short break, I felt more relaxed and ready to contribute again.
That's a great strategy, Olivia. I also learned the value of asking for help. When I struggled with some research questions, I asked our teacher for advice, and she gave me some useful pointers.
It's important to know that you are not alone in a project. We all have our strengths and weaknesses. I, for instance, was not very confident in data analysis, so I appreciated that you handled that part so well.
Thank you, Olivia. And your design skills made our presentation very attractive. I believe that by sharing our strengths, we made the project a success.
I agree. Our project was successful not only because of our hard work, but also because we learned to listen, compromise, and support one another.
I also learned that it is important to celebrate small wins. When we finished each section of the project, we congratulated each other, which kept our spirits high.
Yes, celebrating progress is very motivating. I remember when we completed the first draft of our campaign, everyone was very happy and proud.
That moment was really special. It reminded me that teamwork can lead to great results, even if there are challenges along the way.
Absolutely. I have also started keeping a journal where I write down my thoughts about group work. It helps me reflect on what I learned and how I can improve for the future.
That's a great idea. I sometimes write notes about our meetings and the feedback we received. It helps me understand what worked and what did not.
Do you think our experience can help us in our future projects?
Yes, definitely. I now know that clear communication, good planning, and mutual support are the keys to a successful group project. I feel more confident about working in teams now.
I feel the same way. Even if things are not perfect, every project is a chance to learn and grow. I look forward to future projects with a positive mindset.
I'm glad we had this conversation, Olivia. It makes me appreciate the hard work we put into our project and the lessons we learned from it.
Thank you, Liam. I enjoyed talking with you about our teamwork experiences. It inspires me to continue working hard and to be open to new ideas.
Let's keep in touch and share more experiences. Perhaps we can form a small study or work group in the future to help each other with new projects.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, Liam. Working together on more projects will help us build our skills and also strengthen our friendship.
I agree. I think every new project will teach us something different. For example, next semester, I want to work on a project about social media marketing. I hope we can use the lessons we learned from our last project to make it even better.
I would love to join you on that project, Liam. I have an interest in digital marketing, and I think my design skills could be useful. We can plan our roles and share our ideas just like we did before.
That would be great. I believe that by planning together and listening to each other, we can overcome any difficulty and succeed.
Yes, and if any problems come up, we should remember to stay calm and talk openly about our concerns. Even a small misunderstanding can be solved with a friendly discussion.
Absolutely. I also think it's important to set clear deadlines and make sure everyone knows their tasks. When we do that, it reduces stress and makes the work flow smoothly.
I agree. Using tools like a shared calendar or an online document can help keep us organized. I like how we used a shared Google Doc for our project. It allowed everyone to update their work in real time.
I found that very useful too. It made our communication better and helped us track our progress. I will use that tool again for our next project.
Great! I also think that having regular check-in meetings is important. Even if the project is going well, a quick discussion can help catch any small issues before they become big problems.
Yes, regular meetings keep everyone informed. I felt that our weekly meetings helped us stay on track and adjust our plans when needed.
Overall, I believe that our group project was a success because we learned to work together. The experience has taught me that teamwork is a skill that we can always improve.
I agree, Olivia. Every project, no matter how difficult, is a learning experience. I'm proud of what we achieved, and I'm excited to apply these lessons in future projects.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Liam. Talking about our teamwork experiences makes me feel more confident and ready for new challenges.
Thank you, Olivia. I enjoyed our discussion very much. Let's keep encouraging each other and continue to learn from every project we work on.
Definitely, Liam. I look forward to our next project and to sharing more ideas with you.
Me too, Olivia. Have a great day, and let's talk again soon.
Goodbye, Liam.
Goodbye, Olivia.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.